So we're going to do a quick little video here and show you why you guys want to have ice and water shield at the bottom of the edges of these roofs when your roofer fixes it. You can see they got a little cricket here that had a little bit of a problem. We took off the cricket. That's what it was right there. There was the leak at the bottom of it that was rusting it out. And you can see that they got another pretty good problem right here. It's a turret, so it's a round roof, so it has a problem. They just didn't have like real premium waterproofing around it. But this is the bottom. Look how gnarly that is. The bottom of your roof, so you can see the top. Looks really good. Good. Really bad. That's mud, dirt, debris, destroyed the edge of this roof. And that's why we always put ice and water shield underneath here. Otherwise your roof turns to this. Your plywood should not do that. So that's not good. And that's what your plywoods could be like. So when you have these other roofers and they don't do the proper underlayments, they do a little quick job, you're going to get left with this stuff. And if they don't take up the paper, that's what it looks like underneath your roof. So they have to take up the paper. Yeah, see, it's bad everywhere. That's just really bad. Make sure they strip that whole deck and check the deck, or you get stuck with that.